In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to merge or combine multiple PDF files into one. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To combine multiple PDF files into one, go to your Google Chrome browser and in search type combine PDF online. Now hit enter. You will find lot of sites to combine PDF file in online, but I love PDF. Click on this link and select PDF files button here. Now select all your PDF files which you want to combine, then click on open. All your PDF files are uploaded here. You can reorder your PDF files as you require. You can change the serial as you wish. Now click on merge PDF button on lower right corner. Merge had been finished. Now click on download to download the PDF files, and PDF file has been downloaded. Now I am going to open the PDF file. Right click on it and click on open. I am opening it Google Chrome. My all PDF file has been merged into one file successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.